Hi everyone and welcome back again to Super Basic Spanish. Spanish for Beginners Lesson 3, and this is called Special Verbs. In this lesson, I will be covering some verbs that are used quite often in daily conversations. So I think it's quite important for you guys to know these verbs before we take a step forward. Moreover, we will construct sentences, learn more vocabulary, and learn some common phrases that we use in real life situations. Just a reminder, for people who is watching this channel for the first time, please make sure to watch the first two videos because I think they're pretty useful. Well, at least I hope. Anyway, let's jump right in. Okay guys, let's see. We have the verb ser, which means to be. Yo soy, I am. Tú eres, you are. Él, ella, usted es. He, she, one is. Nosotros somos, we are. Vosotros, vosotras sois, you are. Ellos, ellas, ustedes son, they are. We have a few examples here. Juan y Mario son muy altos. John and Mario are very tall. El partido de fútbol es en Portugal. The football game is in Portugal. Tú eres muy valiente. You are very brave. Emma y Ana son amigas cercanas. Emma and Anna are close friends. Yo soy un estudiante. I am a student. Okay, let's continue. We have the verb estar, which means to be as well. Yo estoy, I am. Tú estás, you are. Él, ella, usted está. He, she, one is. Nosotros estamos, we are. Vosotros, vosotras estáis, you are. Ellos, ellas, ustedes están, they are. Here are a few examples. Camila está triste por lo que pasó ayer. Camila is sad because of what happened yesterday. Nosotros estamos enfermos. We are sick. Él está ayudando a su abuelo. He is helping his grandfather. Tú estás comiendo en el sofá. You are eating on the sofa. Sí, yo estoy bien. ¿Vosotros estáis bien? Yes, I'm good. Are you good? Alright guys, so now probably you ask yourself how to say it. So it is a subject pronoun in English used to refer to something that doesn't have a gender or whose gender isn't known. There is no equivalent subject pronoun in Spanish. So how do you say it in Spanish? You don't say it. You simply omit the subject pronoun altogether. Es bonita. It is beautiful. Funciona bien. It works well. Okay guys, here we have el verbo haber, which means to have and also means there is and there are. There are two ways that you can use this verb. At first, you can use it as an auxiliary verb in compound tenses, as in present perfect and past perfect, meaning to have done something. Note, haber here translates as to have. It does not express ownership. That use of to have is translated as verb tener. Yo he, I have. Tú has, you have. Él, ella, usted ha. He, she, one has. Nosotros hemos, we have. Vosotros, vosotras habéis, you have. Ellos, ellas, ustedes han, they have. And also, it can be used as an existential form, meaning that it has only one conjugation in all the tenses. It doesn't matter if it's singular or plural. I, there is and there are. Here are a few examples. Yo siempre he tratado de escuchar música en otros idiomas. I have always tried to listen to music in different languages. Yo te he dicho que tú hagas los deberes. I have told you to do your assignments. Nosotros hemos preparado las maletas para viajar. We have packed the bags for travel. En Estados Unidos hay bastantes mexicanos. In USA, there are a lot of Mexicans. So this one is the last verb, el verbo ir, which means to go. Yo voy, I go. Tú vas, you go. Él, ella, usted va. He, she, one goes. Nosotros vamos, we go. Vosotros, vosotras vais, you go. ellos, ellas, ustedes van, they go. The last examples, nosotros vamos al teatro a veces. We go to the theater sometimes. Tú vas a jugar fútbol conmigo más tarde. You will play football with me later. Mi madre va al supermercado ahora. My mother goes to the supermarket now. Ella va a trabajar todos los días. She's going to work every day. Yo voy bien en el trabajo. Gracias por preguntar. I'm doing good at work. Thanks for asking. So that's it for today's lesson. Try to review these verbs because we're going to use it quite often. I hope you learned something new, or if you knew the content already, it is always good to remember. Try to stay tuned and also to leave me some comments, questions, or recommendations down below. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.